Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up a no-bake icebox cake, and this one has strawberries. Um, the graham crackers basically become like your cake. That's why they call it a no-bake. You don't gotta bake it. The downfall is you gotta let this set for several hours. We usually let it set overnight. It's like, what, 8 o'clock? I won't cut it till tomorrow, so we will see you guys tomorrow, but first we're going to start this. Here in my pan I have some graham crackers. I open those up and every one of those are broke. But it really doesn't matter because that's just going to kind of dissolve and become your cake. And I used 2 packs. Well, that's one on the bottom, and then we'll explain as we go. But 1 pack on the bottom, just get them in there how you can. And we're going to go ahead and, it's an easy cake, but a delicious one. I have room temperature cream cheese here, the full fat. And to that, that's an 8-ounce block. Everything you need for this will be in the description box. Just go look there and you'll find every ingredient you need. Not evaporated, we're using the sweetened condensed milk. This is our sugar. And we're going to get that in there. Get it all out of there. And we're going to beat this up just until everything is smooth and creamy. All right. Okay, I got that lumps almost out of there because we're still going to beat it some more. We're going to go ahead and add in 2 boxes of instant pudding, which is the 3.4-ounce box of the Jello cheesecake instant pudding. We're going to be putting 2 of those in there. That's why we're not adding sugar, because our sugars are there in the sweetened condensed milk, and then our sugars are there in our pudding mix. All right. So I'll beat this up 3 to 4 minutes, just until it starts thickening. Okay, y'all, out of sight, out of mind. Forgot my milk. Gonna beat your milk right in with that pudding. All right. And we'll get that beat up, like I said, just until it gets thick. 3 to 4 minutes. But I won't beat it here. I know that's aggravating. And we'll be back. Okay, I beat that up almost 5 minutes. I guess it just depends on how high you have your beater on. Got my Cool Whip here. Now this is not going to get real thick, but as you can see there, that's the consistency you're looking for. Nice and creamy. Now we're going to put in Cool Whip. Couple of cups of Cool Whip. And we'll just get that stirred in, or folded in. And then we're going to get this, start assembling it. Okay, there's our graham crackers. We have it in a 9 by 13 pan. Now our cream cheese mixture here, we're going to put half of this right over the bottom of those, and we'll get that spread out on there. It's about half. I'm trying to spread this out with these crackers being broke, but that's okay. We'll get it. We'll get it to work. Okay, we got that spread out. Now I got me 2 pounds of some strawberries. Rinsed them, cleaned them, cut the green part off of them, and just slice them into some slices. However thick you want them. I did probably maybe a quarter, and just start laying those strawberries all over top of this here. So I'll finish getting those on there. Okay, we got half those strawberries on there. Now you're going to go in. I got one pack that wasn't broke, and you're going to, that's why too it pays to cut them a little bit thinner. See what I mean? They just fall apart. And then you're going to do the same here. Yep, they're all just breaking apart. Very easy. And then just squeeze what you can on the side. So I'll finish doing that. Okay, we got the rest of our graham crackers right over the strawberries. Now we're going to go in with the rest of our cream mixture here. And I will get that spread over that. Okay, we got the rest of that cream mixture on there. Now we have the rest, the other half of our strawberries. And that's basically it. And then we're going to put some saran wrap over this. And it's going into the fridge till tomorrow. Save your nicer slices of your strawberries for the top. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the rest of the berries on there, put my saran wrap, and put a little bit of strawberry glaze on it tomorrow before we cut into it. And I'll be back tomorrow to present it to y'all. So in the fridge it goes after I get these berries on there. Okay, friends, there is the strawberries and cream icebox cake. Now, I wanted to mention, you don't have to leave yours setting overnight. I just do. It sets up better. But if you can't wait that long, at least give it 6 to 8 hours. At least that, okay? Now I'm just going to put, this is optional. We like this on ours. You don't have to put this on yours. It's just some strawberry glaze, which you can find over where your fruit and stuff's at the grocery store. And I just cut the tip of it off there, and I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this and just put much as you want on it. And I'll just put this over it, and I'm going to get a slice of it cut up. Okay, there is the icebox cake. I took a slice out there. Y'all can see that. I'm going to take a bite. This is such a refreshing dessert and simple, and I'm getting me a bite there. Look at there. See how those graham crackers softened up? It's like a cake. You're not getting it, Layla.
I want some.
Get you another. Oh, is that good? If you like cheesecake, get you another spoon, baby, or a fork. Because Grandma feels like she's getting a cold. If you like cheesecake, cream cheese, or cake, anything with strawberries, you're going to love this dessert. And it feeds a lot. It's heavy, delicious dessert. Stay in the fridge for a few days with some saran wrap. Like I said, you don't have to chill it overnight. That was just something I did. But it sure is delicious. And if you're new to the channel, I welcome you. If you like the channel, please like and subscribe. Y'all can check out my merch below. You can see the store tab. But until next time, Y'all love one another. Eat well. Everything for this is in the description. And hey, and this is good for the 4th of July coming up too, right, Layla?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. All right. We will see you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye.